guys, my name is Edmund Ariano.
And I'm Jessica Bagley.
And we want to talk to you about our upcoming ultra marathon on April 20th. What's it called?
Elephant Swamp Ultra.
That's right, guys. We have a 30 mile, a 40 mile, and a 50 mile event coming up on April 20th. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, we'll have runners starting at 5 a.m. in the morning here in Elmer, New Jersey, here at the baseball fields. And we will go right down this trail here. It's a straight line, about as straight as you can imagine. And we'll have rest stops on either side of the course. So it's a 5 mile out and back course. If you are a 30 mile runner, you'll run that 3 times, 40 mile 4 times, 50 mile. You crazy people do it 5 times.
That's right too, and be prepared if you are an ultra marathon runner who likes to eat, so bring your food, but we're also going to have here food for you. But again, bring your own food, bring your own hydration. We are going to have a first aid station, and but more importantly, we're going to have a lot of fun.
Awesome. We really can't wait to see you here. We hope you can make it.
Great. Okay guys, we'll see you on April 20th.